guys, welcome to EC Electronics. In today's video, we'll be seeing some fresher recruitment updates and some internship updates. So if you are interested in any of this content, please do watch this video till the end. We'll be seeing the recruitment updates from Wipro. We'll be seeing Nextly from Capgemini, Cognizant, T-Systems and Goldman Sachs. So if you are interested in any of this content, please do watch this video without skipping. Let's have a look on the updates one by one. The first company we are going to see, or the first recruitment update we are going to see, is Wipro itself. Nowadays, there's actually a lot of recruitment updates coming on Wipro career site. The first post is production specialist. Okay, so production specialist, actually they are hiring for multiple locations. Now they are actually hiring for Sarita Vihar location in India. Okay, now let's have a look on the job description. So job description is, this is actually a BPO related job role. So you need to answer customer calls, queries, that is the job role. Okay. So the minimum qualification is any graduate is eligible, 0 to 24 months of experience. Freshers also eligible, clearly they have mentioned here. Excellent communication skill in English is mandatory. You should be comfortable in working in voice process. Means you have to answer to calls and you have to talk through phone. You have to answer the calls. That is a requirement. Immediate joining means if you are looking for a job currently, if you are ready to join immediately, you can definitely apply here. So that is the skills and requirements. So if you are interested, just click on this apply icon and please do apply for it. The second job role again from Wipro is for the post of associate payment. So here you will be working in the payment related session, payment transaction, banking transactions. That is the nature of job. Location is Hyderabad. So the requirements is basic communication skill. You should be proactive person, analytical approach and logical skills with attention to detail. You should be having some knowledge in internet, credit card, banking transaction monitoring. So if you are having this, that will be an added advantage. Otherwise also you can apply. Clearly they have mentioned here only graduates and freshers are eligible. Okay. So if you are a graduate from any stream and if you are a fresher, you are open to apply. Just click on this apply icon and you can apply. If you are from BTech background or BCom or BSc, BCA, BBA, any backgrounds, any graduation backgrounds are eligible to apply. Okay. So these are the two recruitment updates from Wipro. Next, we are going to see a recruitment from Capgemini. This is a bulk hiring for engineering and MCA batch. The last date to apply here is 15th of December. So please make sure you apply to the Capgemini recruitment before 15th of December. The salary or the CTC that they are offering is they have given very clearly that it is 4 lakh per annum is a CTC. So if you are ready to work with this CTC, this is actually a very good package for a fresher to start the career. If you are interested in working with Capgemini, definitely you can apply here. Okay. Also, they have given the salary breakdown details and all. Let's have a look on the eligibility criteria first. So the eligibility criteria or the requirement is only 2022 batch are eligible to apply here. MCA, BTech, and it is open to all streams. Whether you are from mechanical or civil or whatever background, you can apply here. MEM Tech students, and it is open only to the branches or the streams, IT, information science, computer science. Okay, you should have minimum 60% and above in your diploma, graduation, and all the semesters aggregate. Okay, and also same applicable for MCA and for MEM Tech. Okay, candidates should not have more than 1 year of gap between academic milestone stages. Okay, the academic milestone stages considered are 10th, 12th degree and post graduation. Okay, you should have maximum, you can have maximum 1 year of gap. Other than that, if you are having more than 1 year of gap, you can not apply. Okay, yeah. So that's the requirement here. Very clearly they have mentioned what is the requirement. So if you are having these qualifications, if you are from these streams, there is BTech and MCA and also MEM Tech. If you belong to any of the streams and if you are a 2022 batch pass out candidate, definitely you can apply here. And please make sure you apply by clicking on this apply now icon. Okay. Next recruitment we are going to see is from Cognizant. The last day to apply is 11th of December. Also, they have given the details about the CTC. Okay, so you can actually expect up to 12 lakh per annum. It is annual payment, so it is 12 lakh per annum. and they're actually hiring for 3 different job roles. Let's have a look on the job roles: junior experience designer, and senior experience designer. So these are the 3 posts. All these job roles are for freshers. And let's have a look on what is the requirement, means what is the eligibility criteria. Okay. The eligibility criteria for all job roles, we have seen 3 job roles. For all these job roles, the eligibility criteria is the same. Okay, 2019, 2020, and 2021 batch of students pursuing 4-year bachelor degree, means BTech candidates can apply here. You need to have minimum 50% of aggregate, just 50% they are asking, not 55 or 60 or 65 or 70. Okay, minimum 50% at least if you are having, you can apply. Okay. Also, maximum gap of education is 2 years. For Capgemini, it is only 1 year. For Cognizant, it is 2 years. Okay. Also, you should be having good communication skill, written and verbal. So this is the qualification requirement for all the job roles. Okay. Also, along with every job role, you can see the, if you just click on this icon, just they have given us PDFs. If you click on these icons, you can actually see all the details about that specific post. Okay, you can see the salary details and all. Anyway, the maximum package they are offering is 12 lakh per annum. Okay, next, let's move on to the next company, which is T Systems. So this company is again hiring for uh, freshers. Let's have a look on what is the eligibility criteria and all. So here, the location is Pune and Bangalore. Clearly, they have mentioned that this is a work from office job, so you cannot expect a work from home here. Eligibility is BTech Computer Science, IT. Also, BSc candidates are eligible with Computer Science branch, and also BCA candidates. Okay, 60% you should be having throughout academics. No dead backlogs allowed or active backlogs. Okay. So if you had some backlogs, or if you have any backlogs to be pending, you are not eligible to apply. Engineering, engineering post, and for non-engineering post, they're actually hiring. So you can actually have 2 job roles here: coding based and non-coding based. Okay. If you are looking for a coding based job role, the salary offering is 4 lakhs per annum. Non-coding job role or non-engineer job role, it is 3.5 lakhs per annum. Okay. So just click on this apply icon and just fill up the form and apply for this. The last one is an internship update that we are going to see, which is from Goldman Sachs. There is actually 2 posts for which they are hiring. They are hiring for a new analyst post, and also they are hiring for summer internship. So they are looking for graduation in 2022 and graduation in 2023. So any graduate is eligible to apply here also, but this is actually an engineering campus hiring program. So if you are preferably from a engineering related background, that will be good. Otherwise also you can apply. Okay. The location of jobs will be in Bangalore and Hyderabad, and the last day to apply is January 3rd. Let's have a look on what is going to be the hiring process. The registrations will be ending on January 3rd, and aptitude test will be on January 9th. Technical test will be from February 13, and from the 4th week of February, there'll be interviews. Okay. So that will be the selection process. We have seen the eligibility criteria already. So if you are interested in summer internship, just click on this icon, which is register. For new analyst post, you can click this register icon. So that's all for today's video. In today's video, we have seen various fresher recruitment updates and also internship updates. So if you're interested in any of these posts, please check out the links which I'll be putting in description, and please make use of this video. So if you found the content useful, please like, share, subscribe to the channel. Also share the videos with your friends and tell them to subscribe. That's it. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.